Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can translate text on Instagram stories if you want to understand what is written on your Instagram stories and so many more profiles. But before we get started with today's video, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So how to translate text on Instagram stories. Now maybe you have seen somebody else's Instagram stories and you don't actually understand it, and maybe you want to translate those texts to your own preferred language. If that is the case, then you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have downloaded as well as updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If not, then head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in Instagram and then go ahead and download or update the Instagram app. After we have downloaded and opened our Instagram app, you also want to make sure that you are actually currently logged in with your account. If not, then do so by entering your email address as well as your password on your Instagram app. So let's say that I want to translate a certain story. You can see that this is how the home interface of this application or the Instagram app is going to look like. I'm going to simply open a story right over here, and you can see that this is currently in some other language, and maybe now you want to understand this story right over here and maybe you're not being able to figure out how. Then first of all, what you want to do is, let me just show you. If I open this Instagram story, at the top you'll find an option under the username. And as you see over there, you'll find another option called C translation. So let me just go ahead and show it to you again. If I tap on the story, if you keep looking upwards, you'll see an option called C translation. You want to simply tap on it. And as you tap on it here, you'll find two options called try, type, or C translation. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the C translation button at the second option. As we do that, at the bottom you'll see the original language has also been detected right over here, as well as the translated language has also been detected. So this was a very short way on how you can actually translate text on Instagram stories. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.